So you said I'm a businessman. How them rich back there, so?
Yeah, them a businessman. And at this, them focus there, you see. But them still have to look out for them community. Them have to run off the ground, you see.
Mama tell you about me, I go on you for me. Make sure you stay far from them, far as you can stay from them, because it look like them will go back down the road there. And me I tell you this, you not go back down the road there.
Sure. Get to your access still, you know. But I can't leave a man them on the battlefield alone. I'm a real friend them, you know. Me and them from day one, you know.
So you are telling me, say, you feel say them that stand up for you like oh you are stand up for them?
What do you mean? A whole heap we got you in a share. We defend the man them and the man them defend me too, you know. A whole heap we got you, me I tell you that. Alright. Alright. Watch our style now. Watch this. Where that?
Alfred, numbers, come on. We can't do this.
You can do that. But can you do this? Which part that now?
I mean, a taste is this, you know?
I'm in a consume party. But we can show you in a taste is. And if we do this, it's in a Mandela Park, we're on a bathroom side. And we can switch over here so now. Show you a crossroad. And we can narrow it down to the mothers under the clock. You never know, it's a surveillance camera that in place there.
Wow.
A long time I want to pass on that kind of info to somebody, you know, but I want to make sure it's the right person to get it solved. When Miss Brissett tell me, say, are you sure want to be able to deal with that part item, I say, I right person.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You come like you're born for this. Nah, lie. What you don't know?
A whole heap of things I still don't know, man, but you said this now, I do time for this, you know, so I have to be good at it, and I have to get better at it as well.
What you mean I do time? And what you do time for?
Well, the skill of me have me use it and go into some people's account, you know, and move some money from one place to the next, and then I end up moving money out of the wrong person account, which is your boss, and it make me go do some time. Them say when you do the crime, you have to do the time.
You move money, but I miss money's account?
Accidentally. I say one account there and have a big piece of food in it, and I never even dare pray who for account it linked to. I just know somebody if you just send on some money to some people, you know, so I just go in it, turn out to a female account.
Lando, you have to choose, you know. Because if you go down the road there, you might get caught up. And now can't live with that.
Sure. Me and the man them part. If you understand that. Say anything we ever for them, we ever for me too.
Well, me never get involved with you for you go back down the road there. So if you go back down the road there, let me know from now.
So numbers, you're a real scammer then. You just take people money and give it to other people?
I don't want you to look on it that way then. Because I did a good job, you know. I used to work at a bank. But here one now. Call it, you know the movie where them call Robin Hood? Where you take from the rich and give to the poor. Or that kind of thing. Then. I see some people are suffer when them come in, and sometimes the bank used to just take out a whole heap of things out of them account because of, you know what them call hidden charges. So I say it's not fear. Some people fear eat a piece of food and them a work. Them 9 to 5 job and end scan 2 meat. So we just pick out about 40 people and I say I can just scatter the money around and give them a piece of food, you know. or that me do. But when him catch up on me still, the good thing is, he make me do the time, but him don't make me have a record. He just tell me say, next time I have to be more careful.
So the time is just a lesson then.
Yeah, a lesson well learned, you know, cause believe me, that place there, I know for the weak of heart. Cause when you go in a them place there, you know, and people realize the kind of crime where you do sometimes, them text it by you. So me have to tough up in that place there because you can't go tell a man say, you know, I just scam a couple people and you're there I do. Hard time. Man, them a go on like them want to move to me, man, I forget big and serious in them. And some get the skill, you know what I mean? And when a boy a move to me, tell them say, yo, I just my finger them just work on computer and like, yeah man, we can put them up and we can show them say, oh, yeah man.
Shell just easy no man. Me never dip on the ground and something jump off with me charge them. Automatically me I go get involved, you know. And that more you have to understand, you know.